Mir Rasool Bakhsh Talpur, the younger brother of Alhaj Mir Ali Ahmed Khan Talpur, was born on October 23, 1920 in Tando Mir Mahmud to Mir Haji Nabi Bakhsh Talpur. He received his education from Jamia Millia Islamia and Sindh Madrasatul Islam, while the profession of landowner was inherited by him. Mir Rasool Bakhsh Talpur was known as a brave, principled and popular leader in Sindh politics. Elements of love, brotherhood, tolerance, humility and philanthropy were prominent in his personality, while his nature was also full of sardonic colors. He was a man who loved knowledge and sympathized with the poor. He also had to spend some time in prison for supporting truth and justice, but he never deviated from his principles. He began his public service by organizing tonga drivers, rickshaw pullers, and farmers, and led several labor unions. At the age of just 21, he was elected a member of the Hyderabad Municipal Committee, and in 1965, under the system of basic democracy, he became the chairman of the Union Committee. Mir Rasool Bakhsh joined the Awami League in 1958 and continued to criticize the government's policies. In the 1970 general elections, he won a seat in the Provincial Assembly. In 1972, he performed Hajj leading an official Hajj delegation and was appointed governor of Sindh on April 29 of the same year, but resigned from this post on February 13, 1973. Later, on May 14, 1981, he was appointed Senior Minister of Sindh, a post he obtained on the basis of his ability and services. Mir Rasool Bakhsh Talpur died on May 1, 1982. He is still remembered with respect and honor for his simplicity, principledness, and public service.
Alhaj Mir Ali Ahmed Khan Galpajo Ninwi Dra Mir Rasool Bakhsh Talpur 23 Atakuba 1920 Ranti Brenu Mir Mahmouda Mir Haji Nabi Bakhsh Talpur Ji Gahira Janamwetu Sif 21 Werahin Ji Omawai Huwa Hyderabad Municipal Tamiye Jumim Bachuni Yoyo Jughantir 1965 Rant Bunyadi Jamhuriyatan Wari Nizam Hiu Unin Tamiye Juchirmin Bajia Mir Rasool Bakhsh 1958 Ratwami Ligwa Shamalu Hatumat Ji Polisin Ti Tankid Tendurahu 1970 Rauji Am Chauninwa Hun Subai Esimbali Ji Si Hassel T 1972 Ratwa Satari Hajwif Ji Ashvaji Tendi Hajada Chuin Saki Sal 29 Aprith Tisen Joe Governor Mukara Pup of 13 February 1973 Rat T Hon Ahdi Tan Estefan Gi Yajiain Bad the 14 Me 1981 Rat T Kisen Josinio Wazir Mukara Churio Jati Ahdohon Peningji Qabliet Hidmetan Ji Bunyati Hasil 2 Mir Rasool Bakhsh Talpur Pereen Meet 1982 Rat T Wafati